Tekrar merhaba. LeWeb Paris konferansının son gününde salonları geziyoruz. Eura Technologies firması arkamda standını da görüyorsunuz. Fransa'nın önemli ve farklı accelerator ya da inkübasyon şirketlerinden bir tanesi. Bir şirket, yalnız arkasında devlet ya da belediye kurumları da var. Digital Commerce Manager'ı Jan Kervarek yanımızda. Ona soracağız detayları, nasıl çalışıyorlar. Hi Jan, how are you?
I'm fine, thanks.
And I saw your stand here and it looks really interesting and appealing with 133 companies you already supported. Can you give me a bit detail about Eura Technologies, about the company itself and about its history?
Okay, Eura Technologies is an IT park dedicated to startup. We try to find the best connection for startup to help them to succeed and to grow in the digital area. We were born 5 years ago. It's regional government idea to make a place like Eura Technology in Lille, dedicated to digital. We have an incubator where we can help people to create their company. And we have what we call an accelerator. When you create your company, we help you to grow it and to grow it very fast with all the connection we can have, but with mentor, for example, or with partnership we have with a big school or a big company like Amazon.
You have several offices, as far as I see here, around the world, and why did you open these offices? I mean, do you accept startups from all around the world, or you want them to move to France, or how do you do it?
We open this office in other country because we have companies that want to test market, to test country, and then we open San Francisco, we open Dubai, Beijing, to help them to understand this market with a general office manager on each of this market, and we try also to help companies that were from San Francisco or Beijing or Dubai to test the French market with us at Eura Technology at Lille. So we have a special offer for them that will help them to understand the French market, and we will help them to find the good connection as we do for French company.
When you choose the companies for your accelerating services and the incubation office center, I'm sure that you have a selection process. Can you tell me a little bit about that?
Yes, we have a selection. We have a jury with entrepreneur, with public people, and with VC. And all this jury has to see each project, each company, or each people that want to create a company, and they speak together and they try to find the best company or the best entrepreneur for our technology, because we are in 4 sectors: e-commerce, telco, Solomo, social local mobile, and software, and the company has to fit in this sector, and we have a goal that a lot of people will work at Eura Technology. So it's another criteria of selection.
Okay, how is your budget? What's your budget?
Our budget is mixed between private and public. We have something that we call in French, but I don't know the word, commande. I think commande is the same. No, you don't know. We have something to do for the public sector, like the incubator. The incubator is free of charge, so we are paid to do the incubator by public, but in our office we have services. So these services are the cost, and then it will be our private asset. So we have a mixture of private and public asset.
When you help a startup to make money, I mean, to establish first and then start making money, do you get any shares out of the startup?
We took no share in startup, but we have a guys in a team that is dedicated to help them to find the money. So we have someone who is connected with all the VCs and the love money and so on, and his job is to find the best people for this startup or this entrepreneur to find money. But we don't take share on startup.
I see that you're supported by some government agencies. Can you tell me that's all?
So we were created by the Région Nord-Pas-de-Calais, the city of Lille, and a lot of city near Lille. So that's farther of the project.
Okay, last question. Often especially the American companies wants to invest here in France or to see what's going on around here. They often complain about the legislation in the EU, and they say that it's not very comfortable for the startup environment or to start a company. Do you agree?
What can I say? That we have a partnership with Stanford University. Each year we put 30 entrepreneurs from France to Silicon Valley at Stanford, and then the Stanford professor came to Lille to finish the formation. And each year they were very interested about what we are doing, and I think they don't think about the legislation and so on. They really think of the project, of the startup, and what we try to create at Eura Technologies is just a mutual reciprocity between someone that tries to find something and someone that can help him in a way at a certain point. So I think legislation is not a problem.
Okay, thanks a lot for speaking to us.
Thank you.